Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drift in a BMW X1 using an easy method. First, ensure you are in a very safe, open area, free from any obstacles or other vehicles. Safety is paramount when learning this technique. We will focus on controlled oversteer, which is when the rear wheels lose traction. The X1's dynamic capabilities make it a suitable vehicle for learning this exciting maneuver. Before you begin, find a very large open space, like an empty parking lot where you have plenty of room. Next, it's crucial to completely turn off your BMW X1's dynamic stability control system. This allows the wheels to lose traction. Then, select a low gear, typically second gear, as this provides the best power delivery and control for initiating a slide. Now let's initiate the drift. Approach a turn at a moderate speed, perhaps around 20 miles per hour. As you enter the corner, turn the steering wheel sharply in the direction you want to go. Simultaneously, give the accelerator pedal a quick, firm press. This action will cause the rear wheels to lose traction, beginning your controlled slide. To maintain the drift, you must immediately countersteer, turning the steering wheel in the opposite direction of the slide. Use the accelerator pedal to modulate your speed and the angle of the slide. A little more throttle will widen the drift, less will tighten it. Always look where you want the car to go, focusing on your exit point to guide the vehicle smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.